In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain in Hostinger and install WordPress. Full guide. We'll start right from the Hostinger dashboard. Go ahead and log into your account, and once you're in, look for the websites section. Depending on your layout, you might see it at the top, or you may need to click the 3-line menu to reveal it. Open websites, and you'll see a list of your domains hosted on Hostinger. Choose the primary domain you want to work with and click Manage. This takes you to the control panel for that site. Scroll down to the domains area and select subdomains. Here's where you'll create the new subdomain. Type the subdomain name you want, something like blog, shop, or staging, whatever fits your use case. You'll also see an option to set a custom folder for the subdomain. This isn't mandatory, but it's a great habit. Giving the folder a clear matching name makes it easy to find later if you ever browse your files or edit things manually. Once you're happy with the name and if you choose the custom folder, click Create. After a moment, you should see your new subdomain listed, confirming it's been added. Next, let's install WordPress on that subdomain. Head to the website section and open Auto Installer. You might already have WordPress on your main domain. That's fine. Click on WordPress to start a new installation. Give your site a title. This can be changed later. Then enter your admin email, a username, and a strong password you'll remember. Now this part is crucial. Open the advanced settings. By default, the installer points to your main domain. Use the drop-down to select your new subdomain. Double-check this selection before moving on. It ensures WordPress is installed in the right place and avoids overwriting anything on your primary site. Click Next, review the details, and then click Install. The installer will set up WordPress on your subdomain, which typically takes a short while. When it's done, you'll see the installation listed with the WordPress version. From there, you should have an admin panel or login link that takes you straight to the WordPress dashboard for your subdomain. If you don't see it immediately, give it a minute or two for everything to sync and then try again. That's it. Your subdomain is created and WordPress is installed. You're ready to start customizing your new site while keeping it neatly separated from your main domain. If you found this helpful, feel free to leave any questions in the comments, and I'll do my best to help.